Have you ever wondered what a chromosome looks like from the inside? Let's embark on this thrilling journey to unravel the mysteries of these intricate structures. Chromosomes are not mere strands of DNA, but are complex structures that exist within the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. These are large, linear formations, each typically having a centromere, from which one or two arms project. The centromere is like the anchor, holding the structure together and playing a crucial role during cell division. The arms, extending from the centromere, house the genes, those tiny segments of DNA that are the blueprints of life. A chromosome can be thought of as a vast library, and the genes are the books within it, each one containing a unique story, or in this case, a unique instruction for the cell. But this is just the surface. Shall we dive deeper into the fascinating structure of a chromosome? Imagine the chromosome as a wrapped gift. The first layer you encounter is the pellicle. Now, what exactly is the pellicle? Picture it as a thin, delicate shroud that envelops the substance of the chromosome like a cloak. This outer layer, despite its seeming fragility, plays a significant role in maintaining the integrity of the chromosome. Intriguingly, the pellicle is composed of achromatic substances. Achromatic, in this context, refers to materials that do not possess color. However, don't let the lack of color fool you into thinking that the pellicle is insignificant. It's essential in creating the right environment for the chromosome to function optimally. In essence, the pellicle is like the outer shell of a castle, protecting the precious contents within. It may appear thin and colorless, but its purpose is vital. The pellicle is more than just a protective cover. Now, let's peel back that layer and delve deeper. Beneath the pellicle, we find the matrix, the chromosome's ground substance. This matrix is a fascinating layer, much like the supportive bedrock of a towering skyscraper, providing a solid foundation. But instead of concrete and steel, the matrix is composed of non-genic materials. Non-genic, you ask? Yes, non-genic. These are substances that, while not directly contributing to the genetic makeup of the cell, play crucial supporting roles. Nestled within this matrix, we find something truly remarkable: the chromonomata. Imagine them as the vibrant occupants of this skyscraper, carrying out the vital work that keeps the city, or in this case, the cell, functioning smoothly. So, the matrix isn't just a backdrop, it's a significant part of the chromosome structure, providing the environment in which the chromonomata can do their work. The matrix, a significant part of the chromosome, houses the chromonomata. Excited to find out what these are? Stay tuned. A welcome to the heart of the chromosome, the chromonomata. The chromonomata are an essential part of the chromosome structure, the fundamental building blocks of life. They are two identical, spirally coiled threads, intricately woven and embedded within the matrix of each chromosome. Imagine two strands of string spiral together so tightly that they appear to be one. This is what the chromonomata look like under the microscope. But don't be fooled by this simple analogy. The reality of their structure is far more complex and fascinating. Each chromonomata, despite appearing as a single thread, is actually composed of about 8 microfibrils. Now, you might be wondering, what are these microfibrils? Well, they're even smaller strands that make up the tightly coiled threads of the chromonomata, and each of these microfibrils is formed of something truly remarkable: a double helix of DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries the genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known organisms and many viruses. Each microfibril within the chromonomata is a DNA double helix, the iconic twisted ladder structure discovered by scientists James Watson and Francis Crick in the early 1950s. This complex structure of the chromonomata, with its spirals of DNA, plays an essential role in heredity, the process by which traits are passed from parents to their offspring. It is within these spirals that the genes, the basic units of heredity, are located. These genes carry the information that determines your traits, Everything from your eye color to your height, and even some aspects of your personality. In conclusion, the chromonomata, with their intricate spirals of DNA, are far more than just tightly coiled threads. They are the heart of the chromosome, the keepers of your genetic code, the blueprint of life, and as such, they play a pivotal role in the story of life on Earth, from the simplest organisms to the most complex multicellular life forms. The chromonomata, with their intricate spirals of DNA, are the fundamental units of heredity. So, we've journeyed from the outer envelope to the heart of a chromosome. In this exploration, we've unveiled the complex and intricate architecture of a chromosome, the fundamental unit of heredity. This journey has led us through 3 key structural components, each with its own distinct role and composition. First, we examine the pellicle, the outermost envelope of a chromosome. This thin, achromatic layer serves as a protective casing for the chromosome's substance. It's like the skin of a fruit, safeguarding the valuable inner contents from external harm. Next, our journey took us to the matrix, the ground substance of the chromosome. This non-genic material provides the foundation in which the chromonomata reside. It's akin to the Earth's crust, hosting the life that flourishes within it. Finally, we delved into the heart of the chromosome, the chromonomata. These are identical, spirally coiled threads embedded within the matrix. The chromonomata, appearing as a single thread due to their tight coiling, are the real stars of the show, comprising about 8 microfibrils each, which are in turn formed of a double helix of DNA. They carry the genetic information that makes each of us unique. In a mitotic metaphase chromosome, we can see additional structural features such as the chromatid, chromomeres, centromere, secondary constriction, or nucleolar organizer, telomere, and the satellite. All these components together form the sophisticated and dynamic structure of a chromosome. From the protective pellicule to the genetic treasury of the chromonomata, each part plays its part seamlessly. This microscopic world may seem remote and abstract, but it's within these tiny structures that the blueprint of life is stored and transmitted. It's a testament to the marvels of biology and the incredible complexity of life. From the outer pellicle to the innermost chromonomata, every part of a chromosome plays a crucial role in the fascinating world of genetics.